So the right door on my fridge, the hinge here on the right door, or a piece under it broke. I'll just show you. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's an issue there. So I'm gonna fill that with Bondo and hopefully repair it. Off, you just gotta take these two screws off, and for that you'll need a T25 Torx screwdriver. We'll take these two off and then we can pop the door off. So what's going on with my fridge door here, as you can see up here, this plastic is broken, and normally this would be in here and I think it'd be being held nicely, but because it's broken it can flop around in there. This piece here would go on there, and this part of the door assembly, and then it would rotate in there, but because of that being broken it really flops around. So what I'm going to do is take this piece here, put it in place, and then fill that void in with Bondo. See if this is enough. Alright, now we'll take this guy. So this guy here, he does have some ridges in here. Sorry, the bed lighting's bad, but if you can see that, it goes up and down. So you do want to put this in the door the right way. So there is a... Well, I'm going to test it in here. I'm going to put it so that it's up against the white in the closed position, which would be like this. So I'm going to put the flat spots of this on the sides. I'll grab my putty. I'm going to put some gloves on. And we're going to whack some of this in here. Yeah, I don't know if I have enough. We'll see. Try not to get it on anything else. So I'm going to put a bit in there first. And we're going to drop that bad guy in there. And we'll put more of this Bondo in here and fill up the gap. Oh, these silly gloves. I'm going to put a bit more in there. Just to make sure that it's being supported on all four sides. Squish it in a little bit. That was like the perfect amount, it seems. Right, I'm gonna wipe that and then we're gonna let this dry. Definitely make sure you clean this right away. You don't want this to dry. You don't want the mess to dry. Loud. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. We'll let that dry. I'll put it up on the screen, maybe see how long this actually takes to dry. It was a pretty deep hole, so I'm guessing it'll take longer than the 20-30 minutes that they say on the instructions, but we'll see. And in terms of the product I'm using, it's just the Bondo body filler kit. So plain old Bondo filler comes just with this, and the hardener comes with it. So it's been probably a couple hours this drying, and I don't think it's quite cured yet. I can still mark it with my fingernail a little bit, but it's pretty hard. I think it'll be dry enough to put the door back on. We'll see how she works. And check it out. Opens and closes. Say that's a win. I think I'm going to just leave this door empty for the night, just to let the Bondo cure a little bit, because I don't think it's fully cured, but it should hold the door just fine. Hopefully that helps you. Cheers.